Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Anua Heartleaf Soothing Toner. A moisturizing toner formulated with 77% Houtunia cordata extract that helps soothe sensitive skin and protect the skin from external irritations. Perfect for healing overall redness, acne, eczema, and rosacea. It is a mild facial toner, soothe redness irritation, tone, hydrate, and balance the pH level of skin. It has all natural ingredient. It contains heartleaf extract, soothes the skin, has anti-inflammatory, hydrating properties. It has panthenol, deeply hydrating, reduces moisture loss. It has sugarcane extract high in AHA, gently exfoliates, reduces redness. This toner is best for all kinds of skin. Without any irritating substance, skin feels clarified, skin tone appears even, and feels hydrated no matter what type of skin it is. Perfect choice for Korean skincare regimen. This toner helps absorb nourishing serum/ampoule/moisturizer and makes you ready for perfect makeup. It is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free. Toner also gently exfoliates dead skin cells of the skin with sugarcane extract for a smoother complexion and strengthens the skin barrier with Centella asiatica. Perfect for healing overall redness, acne, eczema, and rosacea. How to use in the morning and evening. After washing your face, take an appropriate amount and spread it evenly on your skin. I have only been using this for a few days, but already I can tell the difference. The texture of my skin looks smoother. I haven't had any breakouts. This toner is a lightweight, fairly hydrating toner, best suited for sensitive, irritated, and/or acne-prone skin. I find that it helps calm down breakouts and irritated skin very well. In terms of the texture, it is pretty thin. Thanks for watching.